Welcome back to Straight Chat TV. Today guys, I have something special for you. I have something good. I'm gonna make something quick, easy, fast. Okay guys, sometimes you wanna eat some fast food, you wanna make it yourself. So you're gonna go in the kitchen and you're gonna cook it yourself. And you know it's better. Okay, so we're gonna make some nice jerk burger today. Classic jerk burger we're gonna make today guys. I have some minced beef here. I have my 1 egg there and I have some little seasoning. And plus a couple powder season there. I'm gonna season it up. So right now I'm gonna take him out of the box. You know where it go. Him out of the pot, people. Straight in the plate. Wash your hand, you know it go. Hand off it clean. Alright, see, we have season them up a little bit, my people. With some onion powder, yeah. Some little onion powder, yeah. Season them up, okay? You know, see a flavor we are making today, called jerk. Classic burger we are making. Some garlic powder, even though we are hitting with the real garlic, you know, my people. We are going with some Maggi, you know how we go. Not a lot, you know, just a little bit. Flavor. And the last thing we are going with, some complete. So we're done season. Yeah, that is the flavor we're talking about this one. Okay. All right, my people. So right now, I'm going with earth seasoning. You know, a little piece of onion here. You know where it go? Cut him up real fine and put him in there. You know, it's a classic jerk burger we are making our people. And that one is spicy too. Spicy jerk burger. And I want a little pizza. You know what it go? Give me a little pizza in it too. Yeah, that right that off. Not overpower it, you know, people. Just the right amount of seasoning. Okay? One piece of garlic, yeah. And though I hit him with my garlic powder already, I have to drop my real garlic in it, you know, piece. Flavor we're talking about. Nice, quick, fast, easy, juicy jerk burger we make, okay? Classic. I have 2 little cups of scallion, yeah. Put them in there. Alright, go. Everything flavor this in my peeps. Alright. Then we have 1 egg. I'll put him in there. Alright, then my people. So we just have to mix it in. You understand? Mix up the flavor. You understand, right? Yeah. Mix up everything with people. Nice. You understand? Very much so. You know, the beer flavor is loaded right now. Flavor on top of flavor. Alright. Alright, hello my people. I'm going to drop in the walkers or jerk. And I know. Tell you for the one and I go normal, you know, my people. Spicy jerk burger we are make. Okay? That is it. Classic homemade style, okay? Look. Yeah. All the flavor them are combined together now. You understand? Yeah. That's what we're talking about. But everyone have an equal flavor. Alright. So we'll sit this down a little bit. I'm making soak a little bit. Matter of fact, we just go ball them up now, my people. And then we cover them up and put them down and soak a little bit before we ball them up. Before we we'll go right ahead and ball them up. Alright, my people. So right now we are going to go ahead and ball them up now. Make them nice size of burger what we want. Okay? That's what we are talking about. That's a one. That's two. Okay? Loaded flavor burger there, man. Full of flavor. I'm saying full of flavor. Full of flavor. So we are talking about that we are talking about. How much burger we can get out of it? Yeah, that we are talking about. About 7 already out of it. You can get a couple more go line. You know how it go? Easier you make it at home, my peeps. It's more enjoyable to cook it. You get a better eat and you cook it yourself, you know how it's done. So it's well done. Okay? Prepare nicely. Very clean. Easier for you. Quick and fast. You know sometimes it's going on. So you got some time. That's the last one, so let's equal out that one and go back to it. Yeah. Equal it back. Yeah. See me? That we're talking about. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. 10 nice size burger. So alright people. Tell them run. Okay my people. So right now we are covering up like about 5 minutes and soak a little bit. And then we are going to get right into making some nice juicy burger, my people. So stay tuned, because we still have the lettuce and the tomato to go. And we still have the cheese to get on top of it, and you know how it goes. So stay tuned and watch our one. We'll cover it up a little bit. We sit down and soak a little bit. Not too long, my people. That's like about 5 minutes. And then we'll get back to that. Okay? So stay tuned, watch the video to the end, guys. This one is quick and easy and fast. You do it like me from scratch, you do it yourself, okay? You will never buy a next one at Mac. Okay, Straight Here TV, one Straight Here TV, up and running. Okay, my beautiful people. You know, I go straight pan grill now, people. Straight pan grill. See me, I made electric grill here, we have to work with today. You can fry them too, you know, guys. You can fry them. You can fry them if you want. Okay, guys? But now I'm going to grill it, so you can have a work with. I understand. Smell nice, people. You want to smell the flavor when they come out of the pan. Nice. Alright, my people. So I work with them for them. You can hold one moment. Yeah, that is it. You can hold them to your thing, you know? That's a big grill. Alright, people. So the burger them up on the fire already. On the grill already, a matter of fact. Not the fire, the grill. So them are going to do them thing. So right now, I go ahead and go prep my tomato and my onion and my lettuce, my people. See them, I wash them up with some salt and thing and get them nice and ready to eat. With the nice juicy classic burger, yeah, my people. So just wait and watch the video to the end, guys. And remember, like up the video then, guys. Subscribe to the channel and give them a thumbs up. Okay, guys? This one I'm going to make you lick your finger. Wait, panic. And guys, guess what? I have something special for you. I'm making a special sauce from scratch. This one's gonna make you lick your finger when you taste the sauce, guys. So nice and juicy. So wait, watch the video to the end. And remember, guys, subscribe to the channel, like up the video as soon as you start to watch, guys. Give it a thumbs up. Okay, guys, and help me to get to 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, a million. Straight to your TV. In the kitchen with it. Okay, my people. Sliders them looking nice and juicy. See them? Wow, I'm gonna flip them over. And then we're soon ready, guys. See that? Soon ready. Okay. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay? Nice. See them there? Soon ready, I know my people. If you smell the flavor when they come out of that. When you don't eat one, guys, hear me already. Prep my tomato and my lettuce and my onion to eat with it. And plus me I gonna make the mad sauce and now. So we'll get to the sauce right now, people. We'll start make the sauce. Because it's a cold sauce, you know, it's not really a hot sauce, it's a cold sauce. Okay? So we'll get right to the sauce now. Because the burger then soon finish now. So when we make the sauce, burger ready to eat. Okay, my peeps? Now stay tuned, watch the video. Like up the video, guys. Like and share, like and share. Alright, my people, we are going to make some nice, mad, sweet, juicy sauce for them sliders. So, the sauce is a quick and fast sauce, guys. You can make it at home by yourself, okay? So, we are going with 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, okay, guys? And fast. Something I make for you. Now we are going with like 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, over 4 tablespoons, guys, not no small tablespoon, okay? See there? You know it going there, guys. It's a sauce, a special sauce, and me I make it, you know, from scratch. I'm gonna try it back home. Trust me, you're going to like it. Alright? We're going to drop just a little bit of honey in it, my peeps. Just a little bit of honey to get that sweet little kick. Alright? So I'm going to show you how much honey I put in it, okay? So I put half tablespoon of honey in it, half. I know if you measure it, half tablespoon. See that? Alright. Then we are going with a little garlic powder. A little sweet paprika. guys, just a touch. Just a touch, not even a spoonful, just one touch, a 2 touch. A Worcester sauce, okay guys? Just 2 jiggles. So now guys, we are going to mix sauce together. We're going to mix sauce. Hold on, we have one more ingredient to go in. The sauce guys is going to be the perfect sauce that guys ever have on a burger. Alright guys, until I have one more ingredient left. This is the one ingredient guys. 1 tablespoon of original, see there, barbecue sauce. And that's it, the sauce. Don't know make people, don't make. Trust me, this sauce is gonna be so nice guys. Try it at home. Tell me how it come out. You know you're gonna like it. This sauce can put pan vegetable, you know guys. This sauce you can use it for fried chicken, jerk chicken, any kind of thing you want to put it on. This sauce is very delicious. Trust me. So guys, here we have the sauce ready for you guys. Yeah. Alright, my beautiful people, my viewers and my subscribers, and no straight yard love, you know. Try the sauce here guys. You can go for your burger, your hot dog, you can go for your vegetable, you know, vegetable, raw vegetable. Trust me. A sauce here. Mad! See there? Well mixed out. You see it guys? This is how you mix out everything combined together. No lump, nothing. See? Straight sauce. So we have the sauce ready. We have everything ready guys. So it's a wait to touch down on the sliders. There is the nice juicy burger here. Remember me tell them going to be epic guys. So just wait. Give me some minutes. Soon ready. Straight here on the TV. And we are cook up some food today guys. In the kitchen with it. Okay my people, so we have put 2 cheese. Just punch them right now, because we are going to mash up now. Let the cheese go and sweat a little bit, can melt a little bit, you know it go. And then we are going to land burger, so what we are going to do? We are going to warm up 2 of the bread in the meantime my people. We're going to slap 2 bread on it, make it one. You know it go already? Ready to eat. You know it go, so we deal with them sliders then. Sliders are ready, I know my people. Ready when it's ready? Ready. So let's go and warm up the bread them by that ready. Okay? All of them sliders are ready, you know people. I'm ready then, ready. Well, ready. Okay? See there? So we are warm up the bread just a second. Or the bun. And then we are going to eat guys. So remember. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Straight here in the kitchen today, we are making quick and fast some nice spicy jerk burger guys. The classic one. You want to try it the same way with the flavor. You can make them bigger if you want guys, because these are sliders. Okay? You can make them as big as you want. Okay? But try it with the same ingredients, same flavor. You will never go wrong guys. So, and with the special sauce here, remember, you're gonna lead my people. So stay tuned, watch the video, we have a plate. We have a plate up on my people. Plate up on them now. We have a plate up. Plate up. In there. And we are going to fix him up on my people. Drop one nice onion. Nice tomato. Drop some sauce on him. Let it go. Drop some sauce on him. And get on the lettuce to hold it down. You know how you go. See my peeps? Right then now. See him there. Very classic. Ready to eat. So my people, can't wait to test that one your phone enough. Just before we go any further. So we have to test that one here. And we have to close up the video my people. Because the kids them want to eat right away. Sauce. This sauce is off the hook. And the burger is so nice and juicy, guys. It makes the vegetable with the sauce. This is just at the best, guys. Flavor is right. Selling this burger on the street, guys, you don't have hands to sell them. Remember I tell you. Guys, I'm gonna take a next bite. I'm gonna finish eat this. So remember, straight yard, in the kitchen every day, cooking up some crazy meals, guys. Follow it step by step. You cannot wrong, guys. Do the same process, follow me. You cannot wrong. Good result, crazy result, guys. Cause this jerk burger here, it's spicy. And it's nice and juicy. Boy, flavors. What? Watch it, guys. You can't know when burger mad. Juice I run out. So, one to your TV. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We out, guys.